This video will walk you through the overhang installation process using UltraShield wall siding from NewTechWood. UltraShield wall siding is the ultimate solution for exterior walls and soffits. It combines the toughness and longevity of a capwood plastic composite with an engineered design. It is available in a wide variety of colors, and it comes with a multitude of fascia parts and accessories to complete installation. Siding can be installed in a variety of applications. This video will focus on overhang installation for the underside of a building's roofing structure. Begin by installing fascia pieces, part number US44, along the outer edge of the frame. This installation crew has chosen to modify the standard US44F channel to make it a C channel by ripping off the outer flange. This process can be used when installing the boards perpendicular to the structure. When installing the boards parallel to the structure, use the AW02 starter strips along the same edge instead of the modified US44 trim. The siding panels will be fitted into the fascia notch. Ensure your fascia piece is flush and fasten with screws every 16 inches. This particular installation used only end fascia pieces, part number US44. Also available is joint fascia US45, outer corner fascia US46, or inner corner fascia US47. Next, install aluminum or wood furring strips, or studs, horizontally across the overhang area, approximately 12 inches apart. Now you're ready to install the boards. Measure and cut siding boards to the appropriate length, leaving room inside the trim for expansion and contraction per the table in the installation guide. Use the AW08 aluminum clips to hold the hanging board to each furring strip or stud. The installation clip holds the boards perfectly and allows the boards to expand and contract. Refer to the installation guide for more details on the placement of screws and the clips for particular installations. Continue to work your way across the wall following the same pattern. This installation crew has chosen to continue the material around a 90-degree turn. In order to achieve this, use either two US44 trim pieces placed back to back, as shown here, or you may use the US45H trim or butt joint trim to achieve the same result. You can use a strap to hold the boards into place, and then screw the boards directly into the ceiling. Install furring strips alongside these boards, as well as every 12 inches within the overhang area. Then install fascia pieces along the outside edge. Place your boards and mark the angles to be cut, allowing the boards to be installed flush along the angle of the wall and center boards. Fasten clips to your furring strips and continue to install boards cut to the appropriate angles until filling the overhang space. Use a nail gun at the end when the boards are too small to use clips. It is important to note that NewTechWood strongly recommends working with licensed professionals when installing any of the UltraShield components. A full installation guide is available to download on our website, newtechwood.com/us/siding. Thank you for your interest in UltraShield wall cladding, and good luck on your next project.